Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming requirements: Windows 11 or a reliable emulator on Windows 10, and a signed Microsoft account. Next, reboot into BIOS and enable virtualization, VTX or AMDV, because emulators need hardware acceleration to run smoothly. Once done, update Microsoft Store and Windows itself. Make sure optional platform features like Virtual Machine Platform are on. Finally, download the Windows subsystem for Android or your emulator installer. Start that installer now so we can once the subsystem or emulator installer finishes, run it and follow on-screen prompts. You must allocate sufficient resources, assign at least 2 CPU cores and 4 GB RAM for decent performance, because under-provisioning causes lag. Next, open Android settings inside the environment, enable developer options if needed, and configure storage and network access. Then, launch Google Play, sign in with your Google account, and accept required permissions. This step lets you download apps just like on a phone or tablet. Now finalize by installing your apps, testing keyboard, mouse, and audio integration, and verifying file sharing between Windows and the Android environment. Make sure Google Play services are updated. Also update the subsystem or emulator to keep compatibility. If an app fails to run, first reboot the Android instance, clear Google Play cache, and reinstall the app. Often that fixes conflicts. If performance is poor, increase RAM or CPU allocation. And if networking fails, toggle bridged versus NAT network modes to restore connectivity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.